Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I will be showing you how to use the await function in Godot 4. Essentially, all the await function does is it waits for the current function to complete before moving on. So for the first example, let's just await a timer completing. So, await, get tree, go ahead and create a new timer. We'll set it to be 2 seconds long, and then on the timeout, which is what we're waiting for, we will print 2 seconds have passed. Okay, if we run that, you'll see that after the 2 seconds, we have our message. However, if we try putting it into the physics process function, and we try running it, you can see it'll only run the await function once. You can get around this by putting it into its own function with a loop, and then starting that on ready. And if we run this, you'll see it'll only print out every 0.5 seconds. But await can be used for way more than just timers. As I said previously, it's triggered whenever a function finishes. So, we could do something like button dot press. So now it'll only continue after our button is pressed. So if we press play, and now you see that code only continues after we press the button. Anyways guys, I hope you found this story helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.